What's up everybody, Drew here. I wanted to hop on and really quick just give you guys the new price for the most affordable photo booth shell I think that's on the market that offers this type of quality. So a lot of you guys have reached out and let me know that you're planning on buying a photo booth. It's just that, you know, pricing is an issue. So you guys are holding off to get a photo booth. And I'm going to tell you guys, I still believe that if you don't have the money to buy a photo booth shell or a bunch of equipment, literally still make your own. I still have those videos on my channel where I'm talking about how you can get your own iPad photo booth going for like 200 bucks. And I still believe that. Like, you don't have to buy from me. If you want to spend a couple $100 on like a ring light kit, you can do that. It's not going to take you very far. You know, I mean, you're not going to get into like corporate events or, you know, you may get in there, but you're not going to keep those clients with that setup. But anyways, you guys asked and I hear you. So what I'm going to do now for just a limited time, this Digi Booth here. We are normally selling this thing for 1,500 bucks, but what I'm going to do is drop the price of this photo booth shell for just $999. I don't know how long we can do this, but I just wanted to make this price for you guys because I know a lot of people still want to get started, and hopefully this discount can get you going. The iPad that this booth will fit is the 9th gen iPad. It's the 10.2 inch, and you know, it's the most affordable iPad you can throw into a photo booth that's still going to give you one of the best front-facing cameras. So this option here, literally you buy the shell from me, you can find these iPads on OfferUp, Craigslist, 200 bucks, or if you want to go new, you can buy one for about 300. So for about 1,200 to 1,300, you will have your photo booth ready to go. You can literally start your iPad photo booth business for that price. So what go in the link is going to be in the description. The price will already be there, so all you have to do is just purchase it. Obviously, you're going to put your shipping address, and I will get one shipped out to you immediately. And then also included, as always, in every single purchase, I don't care what discount we're doing, you're still going to get the contract samples, you're going to get the booking form sample, you're going to get the template question sample, you're going to get some content with this photo booth, so you have some stuff to throw up on your website. You're going to have some content for your social media. You're going to get the free 1-month trial of Curator Live. They're going to also hop on a one-on-one call with you to show you how to set up your event. And literally all you have to do is just do that call. They'll show you. And then next time you have an event, you can, it's simple. All you go is you just duplicate the event, change the name of the event. Then there you go. Your event's ready for you. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on, offer this. Again, it's just, I don't know for how long we can operate at that price. But yeah, here's the booth. Let me just give you guys a quick little tour. This thing's solid. It's not like flimsy at all. Like if you want to knock this thing down, you're going to really have to push it. LED light up in the inside. This is acrylic type of material. It's literally, guys, just a sticker. So if you wanted to take this design off, you can just, you know, like with the heat gun, you could just pull it off and put your own design. The ring light's pretty bright. There are dials in the back to adjust that brightness. And the cool thing is all of this stuff is adjustable. So if you want to tilt the front, you can tilt it back. What I love about this booth is literally, since it's all connected, right? You just plug in the bottom plug right here. It's going to power the light in the center, and it's going to power the ring light. And then if you want, you can even throw, just get like a USB, and then there's a USB port back there to charge the iPad. It won't charge it completely. It'll basically let it operate for about 6 to 7 hours before you'll need to recharge the iPad. Or you can just directly basically run the cable from the iPad down and then to another plug. So again, guys, $999. It's going to get you the shell. And yeah, just let me know if you guys have any questions. Again, link will be in the description. And I just want to say I appreciate everyone. And if you any questions, seriously, just send me an email. I'll also have my email in the description. All right, guys, take care. Bye.